A very good evening and thanks for clicking on to the Monday edition of Vogan's European Outlook over the next several days as we end meteorological summer 2021. It looks as if we are going to end on a very dry note indeed. High pressure firmly in control over British airspace, and we could see places see literally no rain over the next several days here as we end the month of August here. So you can see as I skip through the sequence, high pressure holding firm. It shifts position slightly, allowing some colder air, cooler air to come in from the north and northeast. But on the grand scheme of things, it looks as if there's going to be very little opportunity for anything in the way of rainfall as we end the month of August and end the summer of 2021 as well. So you can see that here as I skip forward. At the very end of the loop, interesting scenario. High pressure backs to the west, low pressure to the east. We'll have a northerly airflow and potentially the first discharge of modified Arctic air. So you can see here, this is the precipitation of the GFS. So this is accumulated precipitation. You can see here there's very, very little in the way of rainfall as we go forward, and it's still updating, so it's only going up out to 102 hours. But you notice here, Friday the 27th, and you can see plenty of rainfall over the heart of Europe and to the west of the UK as well. Looking at the 2-meter temperature anomalies here as we skip forward, of course, high pressure firmly in control at the moment. Hottest conditions, or warmest conditions, should I say, across the northern portion of the British Isles here. We always kind of hold on to a slight kind of east-northeasterly component because of the position of the high. But you notice here as we skip forward, we continue to just see these warm days, Western Highlands of Scotland in particular. And as we skip through the loop, and then as we really end the month of August, begin the month of September, you've got this plunge of below normal descending over the British Isles, over the heart of Europe as well. So something worth keeping an eye on. It's certainly long way off at the moment here, but certainly worth keeping check of. The month of August so far, average across Scotland, I think we may go slightly above average over the next few days here because of the persistence in dry and bright weather. Below normal across much of England and Wales. France once again, heart of Europe here, always warmest compared to normal across eastern portions of the continent. Arctic sea ice is at a 5-year high for the date and significantly above the 2012 minimum here. So we're looking relatively healthy when it comes to Arctic sea ice extent, certainly compared to recent years. So something also worth keeping note of here. And I think I've covered everything, so it's going to be a very brief video today. So hope you have a great evening, and I'll be back as always in the next couple of days with more. Bye for now.